Hello everyone, today we will have a look at some steering wheel controllers. I got these, most of them for free. Some I bought, the most recent one is this one. I got it for 30 bucks from Brotherhood of St. Lawrence. I don't know why I bought it, I already got these that I need to get rid of, but it's complete, it has even the power adapter and it felt nice, so I bought it, why not? So today I will take them apart and see what's inside. I'm not gonna do these because I think these are just variable resistors and nothing else inside, but it will be nice to have a look what's inside these. Some of these controllers are missing the cord, as you can see, so I'm not sure if this is a PC or I think this one is PC. This one probably PlayStation, as you can see the symbols here. Also this one missing the cord, this one also missing the cord, this one complete for PlayStation with the controllers there somewhere. This one also PlayStation. This one also PlayStation by the look of it. It's a USB. And yeah, this one PlayStation, this one Xbox. I had another one that came with a seat. It was Bluetooth, but the Bluetooth dongle was missing, so I sold it for 50 bucks. So let's start with the ones without cord. Maybe start with this one. So this is a Mad Catz controller, Team Mad Catz. It's springy, as you can see. It has suction cups underneath, a place for batteries, two AA's, on-off switch, and this looks like removable or something. Here we have a D-pad, start and select buttons, left and right. It looks like shoulder buttons, but they're in front. A, B, and 1 and 2, which is also labeled X and square. And this one circle and rectangle. Here we have 3 position switch: analog, dual, and digital. What else? 2 more shoulder buttons and a joystick, which has very stiff movement. It's hard plastic, but here we have a leather, fake leather, covering the handle, and it feels not bad. This is the connector for the pedals by the look of it, and this is the main cord that goes to the console. Mad Catz Racing. No model number, nothing. So let's take it apart and see what's inside. Okay, Here we have two weights to give it some weight. Plastic underneath, probably metal or concrete. And not much inside, just a potentiometer. And this is, what is this? Probably just a connection. Yeah. I will try to find information about this controller, and maybe I will hook a new cable here and test it. Alright, let's go to the next one. And this is the joystick, it's just buttons. Next we have this Gamester LMP, similar to the last one almost, also springy and half circle. D-pad A, B, L, R, Z, Z, and two shoulder buttons, and one start, no select. And here we have C, which is also labeled as directional. One button is stuck. Connector here for RAM maybe, or the pedals. No, pedals I think here. The power cord missing. Gamester, no model number. Switch teardown. Okay, this one we actually do have a circuit board. Also, we have weight here, no battery compartment, and we have a circuit board with a blob. This is the connector from the other side, and this is a blob. And another chip here by the look of it. Yeah, two more. I think this is better construction than the other one. Oh yeah, also we have one shoulder button here. No, nothing on the other side, which has no label. Let's fix this button. Okay, we have more screws all around, but probably not gonna bother with this one. Let's go to the next one. Next one is this one, which is also Mad Catz MT2 professional Gamer series. Also joystick here that feels much better than the previous one. Looks like it has a micro switch. The steering wheel is smoother, also springy. Directional pad, and we have A and circle, B rectangle, X, Y, square, and left and right, and 2 shoulder buttons here. Start and select or back, and there we have on the back, there we have program, call, and mode. And some LEDs on the back. I don't know if this is real display, maybe it could get illuminated, but I can see there are 3. Hard to focus, let me focus on that one. And we can see we have 3 LEDs by the look of it, and it says program, digital, and dual analog. We have these feet or clamps that goes out like this, so you can clamp it on a table or something. Connector for the pedals and the main cord. So let's take it apart. Oh yeah, this one we got 2 blobs. So as you can see, we have 1 blob here and 1 blob here, and a power regulator. So maybe this one is USB port, because the one with the circuit port probably USB, and the other one's probably just normal connector. Maybe, I'm not sure. Good. Solder residue from the factory, because I don't think anyone has been here before me. Maybe this one I will keep. I will fix it and keep it if it's USB. And the joystick, yeah, it's micro switches. You can see here. Cool. No weight, but there is oil everywhere. Probably from when they oiled the steering wheel. And this is the V3 Interact for PlayStation. This one has adjustable height and the angle also, you can adjust this and you can lock it from here. So now it's fixed. So you adjust the height and the angle and lock it, and it will be the way you like it. This one has a metal base and the model number is SV-1118. One section cup left, the rest are missing. Rubber feet, one rubber feet is missing, and the cord is missing. From here it connects to the pedals. Just normal PlayStation layout for the buttons. D-pad, set, digital and analog. 2 LEDs, select, start, and the 4 buttons here. Rectangle, circle, X, and square. Left and right shoulder buttons. And this is I think, and this is another lock for the height. And this locks for the angle. Quick teardown. Even though I don't think that we will find much inside. Yeah, as expected. Nothing exciting inside. Only spider webs. Maybe the circuit board is here. Not gonna bother. I'm not gonna take these apart because I think they are exactly the same as the previous ones. They're springy, lightweight, which means nothing going on inside. Also, they have the cables, so I don't need to take them apart to fix them anyways, so we'll leave this aside. We'll just clean them. Instead, we'll take a look at this, because this one is different. It's not springy. It has more than 360 degrees rotation. USB. Yeah, unlike these, which are just 180 degrees in spring. Let's have a quick look here. This is Logitech. D-pad, the buttons, left, right, select, start, and 2 shoulder buttons. This one has a model number. You can read. E-X2A12. And this one is MC2 Mad Cats. No model number as well. And normal PlayStation buttons. This Logitech, on the other hand, here we have a rotating dial with enter button, plus and minus, PS, PlayStation button probably, D-pad, R3, L3, the 4 buttons, select, start, 2 shoulder buttons here, and 2 here. Input for a power adapter, and output connector for the pedals, micro switch joystick. Here we have something else here. I'm not sure what is that. Yeah, let's take this apart and see what's inside. So with this one, you remove the top cover instead. Here's the joystick view, and this is the inside. So we have a motor here, so this indicates that the steering wheel has force feedback. And there's a sliding platform. There's a sensor by the look of it. And this, okay, this to adjust the feet, the clamps. These are the micro switches for the gear. Integrated circuit. Yeah, nice construction. Probably I will keep this one instead of the other one. That I said I will keep. Long USB cable. Cool. We'll test it with the computer. And finally we have this Xbox controller. Also smooth, but it's only doesn't rotate all the way. No multiple rotation. Still good, I think. D-pad, X, Y, A, B, Xbox buttons, back and start. 2 huge shoulder buttons. Looks like a wireless connection button, and this button is to detach this thing. So Xbox 360 wireless racing wheel with force feedback for use with Xbox 360. Okay, I got the Xbox 360, so I can test this, but I'm not sure if I have racing games. And yeah, this is the price I bought it recently. This one has hex screws, so let me get a screwdriver that fits and take it apart. Okay, I won't take this apart because we have 2 screws underneath this label and I don't want to damage it, so we'll leave it for another day. There's not much inside other than what we saw previously, motor and circuit board, whatever. Instead I will show you what's inside the pedals. Not really much. It's just 2 variable resistors and that's it. And a weight. And I forgot to show you that here we have a compartment. If you open it, you find the batteries. You can have the rechargeable battery pack or 2 AA's. On the other side, a similar compartment, but this one is not removable.